Happy 2019, guys. We're kicking off 2019 just right here with a bunch of laughs and a lot of fun. And I mean, I'm not the only one. Did you see what happened at the Times Square countdown for New Year's? Whew.
Absolutely. You know what? Everybody here seems to be having a great time. Who's not a big drinker?
Move! If you guys know it, just move. It's all I want to see some movement. I'm not seeing enough movement.
Man, it is gonna be a good year. Anyway, as I stare at my list of videos to make, I shudder at all the reviews I need to wrap up. So here's a Photoshop tutorial about memes. Wow, 2019 lose a piece of shit. We're gonna talk about a very special variety of memes today though. Deep fried memes. Delicious. If you're not familiar with what a deep fried meme is, you probably don't follow the right pages on Facebook. Or they've been zucked. Please just bring back spicy memes for polio-ridden teens. It's all I had left. And you took it away, you lizard android man. Anywho, deep fried memes, they come in a ton of varieties, but they all tend to have this wild, over-sharpened, over-saturated look to them. Now, you could go on this website here and upload an image, but that's cheating. If you want to deep fry memes yourself like a real man, you're gonna have to hop into Photoshop. Let's load up an image. I enjoy a nice vintage Owen Wilson shot. This ought to do the trick. Beautiful. Now, we're gonna jump in here and select the sharpen tool. Now we're gonna come up here and mess with the strength. I just kicked it all the way to the maximum, but you can do this to your taste. Then we're gonna go over to the brush size and just yeet that to the right because we want a really thick brush, just
so thick.
And with the brush, we're just gonna run over the image over and over and over again. Now your computer might slow down a little bit, like mine kinda had a heart attack while this was going on, but it'll start to show up. If it gets too crazy, you can always undo it and kinda dial back the effect a little bit. It's beginning to resemble a deep fried meme. Now we can really yeet the shit out of the saturation slider to give it a handsome golden brown color. Typical of deep fried, food. Well, this is just looking great. It's definitely the best video I've ever made, surely. But now let's season our deep fried meme. See, I mean, what's a steak without salt and pepper, right? What's a chicken nugget without some buff sauce? So we'll layer shit on top of our meme here. You can start with text, and I think we all know what Owen Wilson would say at a time like this. That's right, real communism has never been tried. That's like his second catchphrase. We'll also add some emojis. You'll see a lot of those annoying laughing with tears face going on. A lot of the OK hand, the 100 emoji, and of course, B. In fact, y'all mind if I invent bomunism? I didn't think so. Last up, we're gonna add some beautiful eye glow here. We can just Google this one and find some nice Creative Commons eyeglow.pngs. Then we'll just drop them onto the image, and I mean, I think we're done here. All I can say is, wow. Let's save and export this crap. And I would say you can, but you should always save it at the lowest possible quality to ensure the dankness. Now listen, if you don't have Photoshop, it's okay. You're not a real man, but it's okay. You can always use something like GIMP or Irfan View. Is Irfan View still a thing? Jesus, same logo all these years, wow. Anyway, you can use any free program and just save the image low quality, reopen it, and repeat it, and repeat it, and repeat it. And that'll deep fry it as well. Then you can just yeet your saturation, add emojis, and do whatever you want. So anyway, guys, that's a quick little tutorial. I hope to see some dank memes coming out of you. Stay tuned, we got a bunch of reviews coming up this month. There's a lot of stuff that I'm going to be wrapping up. So Happy New Year. I just wanted to kind of kick the year off with a light, fun one. And I'll see you in the next video. We're closing in on 1,000, baby. Make sure you share this video. And can we seriously have some people follow me on MySpace? Because I made a profile. That's not just a meme. I made a MySpace. All right, guys. Bye. I love you.